long as it's paid to report.
These are the times when cops survive unexpected attacks, starting with a case where an officer was chasing a suspect, not knowing he had a gun. On February 27, 2025, cops were in pursuit of a man with an active warrant, not knowing that he was actually carrying a gun. The chase was about to turn tragic.
Stop, man. Stop. Stop, man. Get on the radio. 999, officer down.
The officer was luckily only shot on the shoulder, and the suspect was declared dead at the scene. But what followed in the next case left the cops screaming in pain, leading to an unimaginable scenario. May 16, 2025. At the 1500 block of South Lawndale Avenue, officers had received reports of gunshots coming from the area. The officers slowly began following the suspect after spotting him, but in the next few minutes, the situation was about to take an unexpected turn for the worse.
Hey, drop it. Dude, drop it, man.
Hey, we're talking to you, man. Hello? Hey, stop right there. Show me your hands.
Hey, brother, we can get you some help, man.
Lawndale.
All you gotta do is just drop it. We're here to help you, man. Just drop the...
After hearing the repeated warnings, the suspect continued to ignore the officers and moved towards the dead end, and made everything worst possible.
Where's your hands, bro?
Throw your hands, dude. Get your hands out of your pocket. Dude, stop. Put your hands up.
Shots fired. Shots fired by the police.
Come on.
Guard! Drop the gun, man! Guard!
It's over here.
Take guard! Get through here!
I'm hit.
Mark, you good? You good? Where you hit? Where you hit, Mark? Where you hit?
Left side.
Fortunately, both officers managed to survive the surprise attack, but what this next officer experienced was truly terrifying. On December 1, 2023, a 911 call was received from a gas station owner at the request of a woman who had barricaded herself in the restroom. She reported that her boyfriend had threatened her with a gun.
Hey, brother, do me a favor. Come here. Hey, stop. Sam 5, I'm hit. Shots fired. Sam 5, I'm hit multiple times. Send meds. Suspect down.
All right. Where are you hit?
This leg, I don't know where else.
The suspect, later identified as 27-year-old Jorge Cardenas, was declared deceased at the scene, but see what happened when this next officer was talking with the car driver.
I don't have to as long as it's paid to report.
On May 1, 2025, Police Deputy Officer Caleb Hodum was finalizing a warning citation in a parking lot when he was unexpectedly approached by an agitated man who was determined to kill the officer as he had given up and had nothing left to live for.
Stop!
Hey, start me another. Start me another.
Stop! Stop!
Nothing left. Just do me a favor, man. I've done my life.
Yes!
I only ask.
Take the knife away from him.
As Officer Hodum was struggling to restrain the suspect, a Good Samaritan intervened to help disarm the aggressive man.
Sir, I only ask.
Say drop it, drop it, drop it. Sir, drop it.
You do me this favor.
Sir, drop it. Drop it, sir. Sir, drop it. Please drop it. Please, don't hurt anybody. Please, in the name of
Get
God.
on my radio to...
Shoot me, man. I got nothing to live for. 22?
Yes, you do, buddy. You have everything to live for.
No.
Yes.
I'm supposed to be in prison today. But I ain't doing that.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Good stab.
You okay?
Good stab.
64 medical.
Here we go. Here we go.
Hold his arm. Hold his arm.
Yep.
Don't you move. You understand me?
I got him. I got him. Get up. Get up. You need help. You need help, sir. Really bad.
I got nothing left.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Shoot me.
Yep. Got him. Come on. Come on.
Despite being stabbed in the head and sprayed with pepper spray, Officer Hodum managed to subdue the suspect. The man was later sentenced to life in prison.